Logitech booth. We're here at Microsoft Ignite 2025, and boy, do we have some things to show you.
Thank you. I've got all of our great personal workspace solutions here, from our new signature solar keyboard that needs no batteries, no charging. This powers from any light source and will run for months in a darkened room, take it out to work. New MX Master 4, the best mouse on the market, bar none, and a productivity powerhouse. And then our new Zone Wireless 2 ES, super comfortable, native Bluetooth. Who needs dongles anymore? That's so old news. Let me throw this over to Randy. He's going to take you through our meeting room solutions. Randy.
What am I talking about today? It's the Rally Bar, and it's the Sight. This is our multi-camera solution for your meeting room. You can actually put two of these on the table and cover an enormous space where you have a camera basically where you need it. Always looking at your face, always capturing the smile, the joy when you're in a meeting, because you're always joyful in meetings, aren't you?
And I'm Alex Mooney, and I want to tell you about Logitech's Express Install Solutions with Microsoft. Microsoft had a great idea to reduce the complexity and the speed it takes to install a meeting room in those smallest of spaces, and we've partnered with Heckler Design to create this incredible credenza that ships flat packs with no tools required to install. We pair that up with a Rally Bar huddle and, of course, our tap and a PC. You've got a full Teams room in less than 15 minutes. Check it out.
And as always, in 2025, the star of the show has been Rally Board 65. All-in-one device, 65-inch touchscreen, and it is a video conference system that happens to have a whiteboard and a touchscreen that's part of it as well. The best thing that people love about it is that, of course, we position it here at the show on a cart, which means that you can have the camera above the display or below the display as well. And so what it means is that modular spaces, open spaces on a cart, you can move it to the place that it needs to be, and the device will do what you need it to do in that space. High quality video conference meetings, that is Logitech. That's Ignite 2025. We're so happy to be here. Hope everyone's enjoyed the show so far.